I've been struggling with managing maintenance for my team. I heard about Artintech's maintenance management system. Can you tell me how it works?
Of course. Artintech's Computerized Maintenance Management System, CMMS, is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline your maintenance operations. Let me walk you through it. First, the CMMS gives you a centralized hub for managing all your equipment and assets. You can search, filter, and update information in seconds, keeping everything organized and accessible.
That's great. But what if I need detailed information about a specific machine?
Each piece of equipment has its own detailed profile. Here, you can track everything from warranty dates to purchase history. There's even a section to upload pictures and documents for easy reference.
That's really handy. What about scheduling maintenance tasks? Can it help with that?
Absolutely. Let me show you the Preventive Maintenance module. With Preventive Maintenance, you can schedule recurring tasks, set intervals, and get automated reminders. Plus, it comes with detailed checklists to ensure everything is done correctly.
That's perfect for keeping things running smoothly. But what happens if there's an unexpected breakdown?
No worries. That's where the Corrective Maintenance module comes in. You can log incidents, prioritize repairs, and track progress in real time. Whether it's a minor fix or a major repair, the system ensures no task slips through the cracks.
Wow! It sounds like Artintech can really simplify maintenance management for any team.
Exactly. It's user-friendly, powerful, scalable, and affordable. No matter the size of your operation, Artintech's CMMS adapts to your needs.